Hey everyone, Blue Rocket Breaks here. I have the Rookie Card Explosion Box, limited batch number 7 here to rip. I was actually going to save this to go up north, going up north with my family next week to the Ludington, Manistee area. I was going to rip it outside, but hey, I have no self-control and no patience. It came Monday. Today's Monday. Let's start ripping. Ooh, bonus pack. We're going to start with 81 Don Russ. Gum. We're looking for Tim Raines of Danny Ainge. There's Danny Ainge right there. Let's take a look at how this card is. Fortunately, not sure if you can see that top corner there. You have some corner damage. And the centering is not great. So unfortunately, this is not in good condition. Let's take a look at the rest of these cards. Alright, if you've never opened Don Russ 1981 before, these cards are so thin. It's easy to see why it'd be very hard to pull a PSA 10 out, even right out of the pack. 85 Don Russ. Puzzle. These have the black borders, which are notoriously hard to get good condition, unfortunately. Don Mattingly, Diamond King. 93 Topps Series 1. We're looking for Jeter. That's the only card we care about. (2008) Bowman Chrome. I don't believe I've ever opened up this before, so this will be new. Look at that. There's a Vladimir Guerrero Sr. card. So I've definitely seen these cards now before. Now that I see them, but I gotta echo the sentiments of Bowman 1951 and his break. These facsimile autographs, absolutely terrible. There's Andrew Jones, Jake Arrieta, and Lucas Duda. 2013 Topps Update. Yelich, among others. That's an interesting one. Alan Craig, All-Star Game, Camo. That is number 1099. Nice card there. Next up, Topps Update 2015. It's a Clayton. Let's see. Oh, that's funny. We had a Cole Hamels base and a gold back to back. The gold should be numbered out of the year of the release, 2015. There's a Rod Carew Rarities insert. Chris Sale, A-Rod, Chris Archer, and J.P. Howell. Topps Chrome 2016. I think anyone who buys Chrome cards will recognize the bowing of the cards. I do not like that, unfortunately, but it's kind of what you get out of Chrome. A-Rod. There's a Michael Conforto Youth Impact rookie card. He's not good enough to make Filmington's key rookies list, but still a nice card. Take a look at the back. I like the design of this. Set this aside. And a Strasburg. Topps Chrome Baseball 2017. Take a Bellinger, maybe a Judge, Bregman, Benintendi. Yeah, this would be fine. There's a rookie. Who's the rookie? It's an autograph. Chad Pinder. Very nice. Pulling a rookie auto from the rookie card explosion box. Insert sound effect. All right. Very nice. And a David Ortiz. All right, next is Topps 2017 update. Can we beat a rookie autograph? There's Ted Williams out on a boat. A Milton rookie. Okay, well, I wasn't sure at first, but this Ted Williams is a short print. It has a different coat on the back. I thought it might be looking at this photo, but that's a nice hit. 2018 Topps Heritage high number. Looking for all the big rookies from last year out of this release. Should all be there. There's an Austin Meadows rookie card. Very nice. 2018 updates. It's a Ronald Guzman rookie card. Oh, look at this. This is a parallel rookie card. What is this number 2? Oh, I got all excited. It looked like one of those, like, number to 50 or something. It is number 2, 2018. Cal Ripken Jr., one of my favorites. This Ohtani and Ichiro card. 2018 Topps Chrome Update. It's one of our bonus packs this month. Didn't even make the sheet. Let's see what's inside. It's a cool looking card. There's a Gleyber Torres rookie debut card. Very nice. And our final pack of the rookie card explosion box is Topps Baseball 2019 Series 2. I like this product mostly because there's 4 really good rookies in it. There's a George Brett and Bo Jackson on the same card. It's fun. There's an Ohtani Cup card. And our final card is upside down. Is this checklist. Alright, it's time for a hit recap. I got a bunch of cards here. I got another bunch of rookie cards here. But this is the interesting pile right in the middle. Let's take a look through it. I got a few numbered cards. These are all gold cards. And I got this camo card of Alan Craig, number 299. Very nice. Got this nice looking Michael Conforto Topps Chrome rookie insert. Got the Danny Ainge rookie. Unfortunately, it's too damaged to be graded. Here's an Austin Meadows Heritage high number rookie card. Gleyber Torres Topps Chrome rookie debut card. We got the Ted Williams short print. And finally, we found some ink. Chad Pinder 2017 Topps Chrome Topps Certified Autograph Issue a kaboom. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. think I've got like 35 subscribers right now. If I'm being modest, the quality of this channel is worth at least 47 subscribers. So let's pick it up, folks. Thanks. Bye.